Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the stream. It's gonna be a little bit more of a low energy because I'm sick. I'm sick. I've caught the flu. It is caught up with me. Now it's my turn to battle it out. Uh, Taking painkillers, so I'm fine, but brain, which is great because we're gonna touch sensitive things today. So, I want to test if we can get a party system for the server. I thought about getting something directly integrated to the proxy. I haven't tested it, so that's the first thing that we're gonna do. We're gonna test if that actually works. And yeah, a party system, like in a game where you have parties and then you can join quests together and stuff like that. No, no, no. Exactly. If that is easy, we could do the Loki, which is getting logs from the server. But I am a little bit unsure if we want that for now, and I'm also a little bit unsure if I just want to bother with it because it's kind of boring. It's just Kubernetes. I'll look at it definitely, but there are more fun things. Fuck! I just hiccuped so hard something hurt my chest. That can happen, yeah. Don't worry. But been nice with last it. Gotta go write stuff. Yeah. Goodbye. I'm trying my best. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm gonna get well. Anyhow, let's just hop right in. I don't have a button for that, do I? Cool. Anyway, I'm just gonna press this button. And afterwards, gonna press this button. And now we can see things. Cool. So, in Minecraft, why is Rusty not showing? Or Rusty got picked up by the game. Right, yeah. Cool. Anyway, we're gonna start Minecraft anyway. Hello, Beardman. Hello, Robert. Hello. Hi. I need to change the seal on my oil pan. Nice. What? On what oil pan? Like the on your car? Ah. Yeah, that's not a lot of fun. I wish you the best of luck. Let's put playlist on. Where's Minecraft? Ah. Should we do lo-fi? Should we do chill stream? Chill stream. My brain is not ready for this music right now. I'm gonna put on some lo-fi. So, let's see. Not going to be hard or Toyota are repair friendly. Yeah, but it's disgusting. Everything with oil in a car is just disgusting. Okay, so /p doesn't exist. So the party plugin that I installed is not working. Which is which kind of makes sense because that's 3 liters of oil. Yes, still, it's 3 liters of disgusting cancerous fluid. Bleh. Okay, so party system like that doesn't work. That's sad. So, lo-fi, please. Thank you. Okay, and hi, Mike. Welcome in, welcome in. So, what does that mean for us? All around the seal? Yeah, I mean, you have to do it. It's just... right. It's bad. Okay, so we cannot use that plugin. So we can definitely remove that from the whole thing. Let's just put the display on. So, right, we're gonna remove the plugin from the proxy. And then... oh wait, no, that actually is in a different thing. Actually is in proxy. Okay. So... I haven't updated this, have I? Yeah. Okay, cool. So, remove that. That just doesn't work. T as it's as it is defunct. Okay. Doesn't do stuff for us, so we can just not use it. That's fine. So then we need to write ourselves a little tool that gets the parties. So let's think about that a little bit. I think we actually then need to make a completely custom party manager, because I don't think I haven't seen something that is pre-made that we could use. Well, maybe we should maybe start with that. Just go on GitHub, try checking out a few things. Maybe we can find something that we can use. Not too sure about that though. Minecraft velocity party. I mean, this is basically what we want, but okay, cool. Obviously nothing. Minecraft proxy party system. Minecraft network. What do you do? Minecraft server network. Apparently it's backend. Layer data management, real-time inter-server management. Bungee code proxy. Technologies. GIS. Redis. Database. Lombok. Configure custom preferences. Choose for that shit is shown. So this doesn't really help us. Make this a little bit bigger so you can actually read something. Because what this doesn't do is have the whole scaling. Right? It does, it very much, like, not to shame this product, right? It's, oh, this project, they're probably really great, just not for us. Because what we need is something that plugs into Kubernetes. And this seems to be some standalone operator that we don't really need. I mean, it uses Redis, which is already pretty nice, but yeah. So, okay. So there's some bucket stuff, but we're not interested in that. Proxy party, that is not maintained anymore, and it is for bungee cord. Is there anything newer? No. Yeah, also nothing there. That's not that nice. Is there something for fabric? For filtering, remove third-party server spam. Okay, not really interesting for us. Wait for location sharings. It's not really interested. Client-side improvements for LSUDP parties. We tried that one. That doesn't work for us. AP mode. Wait for location. No. I do think that is... We are at the point where we need a standalone service for that. Okay, so... What I have in mind. Like so... Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on. Give me a new window. Curly draw. Okay. So, what I have in mind is the following. I kind of need like a two service thingy, because we have basically a client server situation going on. Where did I leave my pen? Obviously. Out of sight, out of mind. Okay, so we basically have a two-system... We have a two-system... separation of responsibilities. It's cores. Let's go. So, what we have at the one side is our... I didn't want to do that. Thank you. I wanted to do this. Thank you. No, I would really enjoy it if you didn't fuck this up right now. All right, wait. There was a trick. Like this. Just press the button. Why are you doing this? It tries to go to this place for some reason all the time. Great. Don't like that. Yo! Thanks, Ross, for the like. Hard to pronounce name. Hi. Come on, what is going on? There's something? On here that is like, oh, wait a second. Mobile mics. Sometimes do weird interference. Let's see if that works. Ah. Know your enemy. Oh, okay, wait, maybe it doesn't. Oh no. The reach touch from the hand? No, it can't. It's like, it's a very cheap thing. I don't know why this is doing this. That is so weird. Anyway, let's just do this, I guess. So we have our Minecraft instance. Can I get this to Excel? Thank you. It's kind of small, but whatever. Oh, there's a magnet screwing with you. I think it's that. I just don't know where the magnet is. So we have our Minecraft instance, and then we also have our service instance. So the service basically will handle everything that is the party relation. Which brings me to the point that there's actually a third component in this funny thing, and that is our Redis. But we don't really need to talk about what's going in there inside there, but our service will fetch current. And one will fetch the current service. And then this one will also what? Apparently I did something really stupid here. That's great. May I use this? Apparently no. Oh. I may, I'm just dumb. Oh good. So there's another one. Funny. So this one fetches a... By the way, wait a second. If there's a matter no screwing with me, right? I should just be able to move this over and have the problem disappear or reappear at a different location. Great, yeah, it's gone. Cool, now we can just... Now I can just draw. That's way better. That's way nicer. Cool. So, this one is... That is interesting. Well, it is at a different location now. Really love to know why this is happening. Yeah, I don't know. Really weird. Very strange. Very strange. Okay. Then we continue with this. Whatever. Don't use the... So this one will... get service. Also here, get service. There's one reason why I don't want to do this. Not only is it bad in the sense of like the separation of responsibilities, it is also just annoying to do Redis in Java on a Minecraft server, which just might disappear at some point. I want to have like all the Redis code concentrated in one language that I feel comfortable in, and I'm just gonna write this service in Python. So just gonna plonk there like a fast API or probably just Quart, some like web thing that I can just push some JSON back and front. You don't need like, it doesn't need to do a lot, or like it doesn't need to do complicated things, it just needs to orchestrate some things. Also this can then request a node hop. Just gonna call that a node hop. I think that's probably the best name for that. A node hop being basically, this is a node. That runs, in that node runs a Minecraft instance. And each node is of a different type, and we have like very various Minecraft servers, all orchestrated under Kubernetes. And if a party wants to join a different server, they need to know where which server to go to, and all the people need to request get sent to the right node. So we don't have like party splitting, which would be annoying. We could simply have wait, I think I forgot to click on the Twitch thing. Wait a second, Mike, did I forget? I think I forgot, sorry. Twitch, connect. Yes, okay, now you can join. Sorry. Yeah, okay, so we don't want to split up parties, right? So we need to orchestrate the entire thing through a service. Gonna write that in Python. All nice. We know what... There's a house walking. Yeah. We know what service we have through the Redis, because Kuvil is writing to the Redis what nodes exist. So we will probably start with getting the information from the Redis when we start coding. So then we need to request a node hop. There are two ways of doing that, right? There are two ways. One is broadcast the node hop for each UUID and basically tell all the servers, hey, this UUID wants to hop to this server. Is he there? And if so, please start. Please orchestrate that. Like, please get that guy to hop the node. The other way is to do a non-broadcasting approach and say, hey, I know where that player is. So we need to only tell that node that that player needs to go. I just loaded. Hi. Welcome in. But I think the easiest way is to do a broadcasting. We're just gonna tell every node, hey, these players want to switch to that node. And then we will literally just tell the server, like, we will just implement some logic on the node to check if those people are actually on the node, and if not, just ignore it. But on the other hand, that brings up some computational overhead, and I don't know if I want that. What is easier? Keeping track of where servers are on an outside service? Or or can we do some velocity stuff? Can we put a velocity plugin? And we just need to tell velocity, hey, we want to go from there to there. And plug in messages on velocity. Listen for events in velocity. Allowing tasks to be run. Server task plugin just here. Repeating task. Answer tasks. Training task on a plugin. Mission context. Ah. Proxy get all players. For each player, will suggest. I don't know. Wait a second, simple command? That is a pretty good idea. Most of the convention public command has 3 methods. One command is executed, provide solution for tab completion, one to check command source has permission to use the command. Simple command. Registering a command, get command manager. Okay, but we don't really want a command now, do we? Do we want to build everything as a velocity? Nah, wait, no. We can't build it as a velocity plugin because we cannot reach... Like, we cannot build the entire thing as a velocity plugin because we can't reach velocity from inside our instance. Velocity is before that. We need to do it differently. Only for plugin messages you should trust it. Messages. Specific players connection. That current server is present. Oh. I mean, you don't need to let the... Okay. Let me explain what I'm struggling with right now. So there are again more things here. So if may I hopefully draw now? I don't know, maybe we can at least try. So basically we have, come on, let me just... We have velocity. We have our player on a server. So we have our server. Bro, can you... Is that actually just a point on my desk that is like magnetic or for some fucking reason? No. I wish this wouldn't happen. Something is broken. I don't know what though. I don't know what. So is server. Come on. Okay. This thing dead, I guess. And we have to do it nice. Sadly, it just takes a little longer. That's fine. So. We have velocity. We have our server. And now we introduce a third thing, being the party system. I'm a little bit unsure if we need the party system there, but let's see. Maybe Bims is free and can talk about that a little bit with me. I'm unsure if we need this party system now. Because we probably could build the whole thing as a velocity plugin. Because velocity already tracks what servers there are through Kuvel. So that isn't a problem. Okay, so we probably can do it all in velocity. There are just some edge cases that I'm unsure that I want. I just don't want to write a velocity plugin, but I might actually need to. Yeah, we might actually just write it entirely in. We will need a second mod that then handles stuff like that, but getting... Okay, time to make a velocity plugin, I guess. Doesn't make too much sense to use another thing there. So, Minecraft... Oh, Jesus. Why are you like this? Hello. Can I... Thank you. Let's call it velocity party. Wait a second. Why can't I deselect fabric here? Oh, use fabric API. Wait, am I stupid? Or is this just so much out of date? Is this actually just outdated? Like outdated? But no, I can remember this. Why do I remember this? But why don't I get this? Oh, because I'm in a snapshot. No, wait, that doesn't make Hans. No. I mean, yeah, we're working on Hans, but the old wizard. Oh, hi! There we go. It's a plugin for velocity. Which version of velocity do you use? So yeah, we are... It is for Hans, but this is a little bit of a different thing. So velocity party. Velocity party. Dot. Lol. I don't want to do this. I don't run the right Java. Just bode well with me. So which version do we use? Which version do we use? That is something I need to check. GitHub proxy. Sure, Project Hans, and then we go to the proxy. Minecraft proxy. I guess we just use the newest version, right? So, in the case of... Oh, Jesus Christ, I need to sneeze. My God. Okay. I'm a little bit confused. Because what are they using? Which velocity version are you using? Latest. Okay. We use latest. Latest is latest. Kind of sick as well, so constantly sneezing. Yeah, it's that time of year, isn't it? Latest is 3.3. Okay, cool. So Caesar, velocity party. We use Gradle. May I? Why are you like this? Cover 17 is recommended. Is Kotlin? Why are you saying that? Wait. Why are you like this? Cover 17 is recommended for. Version 17. Okay, sure. Do we have OpenJDK? We have JDK on that. Okay, so I guess we use that. I guess we use Java 17 for some god awful reason. Sure. Okay. It's going towards the better. Yesterday I was sort of pain. Yeah, I'm already on painkillers. Which is gonna be fun because... Right. Did I... Okay. Did you just press cancel? That's great. Velocity 3.3, Gradle. Yeah. Okay, wait a second. We need to think about that again. How can we make this a weird acronym? Let's think about a few weird acronyms that we can use. Now that is an important question. See? So we already have PP, which stands for player persistence. We also had server status rest, that was SSR. That got deprecated really fast though, because we found a way better way of doing that. What else? So we are using parties. We are also using Kuvil. We're using. I mean, we could probably do something like PKK. Or but yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it velocity parties. Or VPM, Velocity Party Manager. I also don't know what OOCH stands for, so yeah, that's a thing. Perfect. Okay. How do I rename a project? Ah, here. Organisation ohne cooles Akronym. That one's good. Refactor, rename. Ah, from Finnish and Fab. Obviously, you wouldn't come up with that, yourself. Aha. But in English. Crazy. Okay, so. How do we do this? Player chat doesn't really matter. Okay, so the command API, right? First test permission. No, we kind of don't want any of that. Go to church now. Yo, have fun. Say hi to dad. Every time I think of acronyms, I think of organization without cool acronyms. I mean, fine. Is it? Am I the weird one, or is it like actually? I think it is kind of weird going to church these days, because I don't know anyone my age is doing that. Yeah. I mean, like, there's nothing inherently bad about it, right? But it's just weird for some reason. Okay, boomer. Fuck you. Okay. What I want to do for now is get a new file that is going to be our REST interface. probably needs to be Java. I don't know if we can do Kotlin. First of all, we make this small, make this small. Maybe not that small. That okay. And now we ask ChatGPT. A simple RT API in Java. I was using Spring Boot. Jesus fucking Christ. I asked for simple, not Spring Boot. But sure. What is our actual package? That is our actual package. Okay. So. What I then need is no. I need to register. I need to use. I need to use it in a craft velocity plugin. Javelin. Sure. That sounds a little bit more sensible. Not using fucking Spring Boot. Spring Boot is like... Spring Boot is great if you want to write like industry standard stuff, but let's be honest. What we want is basically just a lot of this, where we then just call stuff from the Velocity Party Manager. And exactly. Plop. Public Velocity Party. This dot rest thus this dot rest server equals a new oh wait a second, it's called REST interface, but it has a REST server in it. That's not good. Rename to REST server. Happy? Why? Ah, right. Also forgot that part. Also the party manager. Cannot resolve symbol rest server, which is funny. Ah, right, because that. Come on. Okay. And then we just start the rest server. However, I want to give the rest server a this. Using Gradle. I'm using Gradle, so place the dependency block for. Let's see. Okay, so JSON, that's not too bad. Public REST server. Jesus Christ. There we go. Now just reload this page. I should be good again. Sensitive files. Visible to external parties. Oh, great. Progress, I guess. Right. This one has a problem because it needs a velocity party manager. Party manager. Oh, sorry. Right. Okay. Is it unhappy? Default content type. Create config dot default content type doesn't work, so. I mean, we probably don't even need that, being honest. We'll think about that. That's 1000, that's fine, but we'll probably want to have the port int port be something. This dot port private there you go. Have the port configurable, that's nicer. Make it final. Unsure if that's final. Pretty sure you did just resolve this, but let's reopen the file. Alright. Okay, let's restart IntelliJ. Something broke. Might be fixed in a second. Why is it still called? Refactor, rename. Hello, Niklas. We're working on our VPM. Yes. V. The oh. It's a stupid joke. It's just a party manager for Velocity proxies. We're working on the thing. Yes. Minecraft. I guess I'll just make a new project. I hate something about this really a lot, and new project. There we go. Yep, great. Got 11. Nice. Let's go. Very good. Proud of yourself. Switching and forth. Work's going fine. I mean, not a lot happened. The only thing interesting that happened over the last few days is I was on a protest yesterday. And on my way there, the bus driver made a very much, I think, yeah, just purely hateful remark about, why can't I just do a Java file? What the fuck? About trans people. Protest against right wing. Against the AfD, mein Freund. Yeah, yeah. And now we're flagged on TikTok for political things, right? Surely. Very good, very good. Yeah, but he made so you made some very hateful remarks, and I when I left the bus, I just said Nazis raus. And he was then like, yeah, but look at me, I can't be a Nazi, right? And he was obviously an immigrant, or like had like some, right, immigrants, parents, grandparents, whatever. Like, bro, what's all of the right-wing people? I hate them for real. Yeah. EST, so there you go. Especially Eisweide, yeah. Stupid, but hey, what can you do? Yeah, but I definitely I reported that guy to his employer because like stuff like that is like literally like it is worse. It's bad enough that that guy thinks those things, but saying them is like different, and it was like really bad, like really bad. That you did so, thank you. In my brain, I'm already like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna get to work because that guy's gonna be my bus driver. But we'll see. I'll wait. I'll wait through the next week what the company is saying. But it was actually, it was horrific. Okay. So, what's actually the worst that someone can talk about now? It wasn't even politics. Like, politics is defined by opinions, right? Then what he said was not an opinion. He was proclaiming that some people, because of their sexual orientation or identification, were not humans. And let's be honest, that's not an opinion. Like, that's just bullshit. And yeah, won't stand for it. Matt said the best opportunities are Linke and Tierschutzpartei. Yeah, for me it was Die Partei, then a few other small ones, and Die Linke. And I will definitely vote for the left. We need a strong opposition this time. And yeah, we will get black and blue, but we at least need a strong, healthy opposition. Okay. On the other, maybe final? I don't know. Actually, wait a second, that actually is final. Wait. But no, actually, we don't use it here, do we? We get stuff back. This loses nonsense. When they drunk. Yeah. Yeah. But it's like, it was just very, very, very bad. Public. I guess it's a void. Public void in it. Left is like the best option. Black and blue got lost the fuck. Yeah. Yep. By the way, in Wuppertal, like where I got to protest, we were 12,000 people. It was the biggest protest in Wuppertal for 50 years. 50. Like, holy shit. What's that should get a list of UUIDs. Is the UUID a string? Let's see. So we do have like some server class, right? We have a server class? Where do we get the server from? Where do we get the server from? Yeah, like, oh, I love it. Some people are now blaming the Valomat for being left propaganda because they didn't get the AfD when they filled out the questions. I'm like, yeah, sure. That thing is the problem. It's just, if it weren't that sad, you know? How do I get the proxy server from? Ah, final proxy server proxy. Hmm. Okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. But that doesn't help me. One player chat event. Server get an event manager, plugin listener. Proxy server, public. Ah, look at that. Just paste this up here. I definitely want this. And we want the add inject. Why? Okay. Inject proxy server import class. Did that import the right one? It did. Okay, cool. So, I'm not sure if we want that to be final, but let's see. Probably not. So we wanna do some stuff on that. Okay, and then we just do this dot. Oh, proxy. I call it proxy. Yeah, okay. Hi. Okay. Private logger. Actually, then we don't need that anymore. Right. Okay, so public void transfer. Okay, so server dot. Oh wait, server. No, server. Proxy. Let's rename this. Collection of players. Get player. Okay, so it has a UUID class, so this would be a UUID. So then we do for UUID U in UUID. By the way, this should be UUIDs. Server dot version match player register server shutdown unregister server. So how can I put a server get the player for you, and then I can do player dot I can create a connection request to a registered server. Okay, so we obviously also need the server they want to be registered to. So how can I get that server? Probably for now is a string being a server alias. But we need to create Need to find out what server that is. So server dot get all servers. That is registered servers. Okay, I mean, not too bad. Get a server by a string. Right, I forgot that I need to put semicolons everywhere. So registered server target server equals provided optional. Ah, right. So basically dot if present. Yeah. And then we just put all of that in here. Making a server lambda open up funny brackets. Delete that, close funny brackets. Right, where we one probably here. One open, two open, three open. One close, two close, three close. Well, that seems fine. Oh, there's just that missing. One open, two open, three open, four open. One close, two close, three closed, four closed. Seems fine, doesn't it? Oh, I see. Yep. I see. Right, because you need the that is the target server. Nice. Okay, I think that should be fine. So that should give us the option to transfer a party to a selected server alias. Makes sense, right? Now, we want to give people the options to register a party. We don't need that. We only need a UUID and a party. Do we even need a party alias? Alright, how are we gonna handle that thing? Okay, back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. I mean... wait a second. Technically, we don't need to talk to the Redis at all, because we can just ask the velocity for our for the available server names, right? So what if we just do that? So we don't need to talk to the Redis anymore, because Kuvel is handling that for us. Then we can... Wait, okay, it's still fine. Huh. The server... So should... Do we need this? Okay, what was the problem right now that I was facing? So... Where do we actually save the collection of parties? Right. Okay, guys, I have a question. I have a question that you guys can answer. If you play a game, right? You had a party. You close the game. Do you expect when you start the game again that the party still exists? Or is that something that is not actually expected? What do you think? Because I'm unsure. Like, at one point it would be a nice feature, but it would be way easier to just... not. Like, if you go offline, you're not part of the party anymore. Right? Should we... Wait a sec, I can do Kotlin. Oh. Can I convert Java to Kotlin? What? Okay, stuff is still actually doing stuff. Okay. Wait. Indexing. Okay, now he's done. What Java? Yes. And it's already so much nicer. Syntax errors. I love that. Yep. Now the right. Good stuff. Oh god, that is so weird though. That is so weird though. Oh god. Well, it's fine, right? It's fine. So what does a party entail? It contains the well members, which are mutable list of a UID. Yeah, cool. It always has, well, a leader as a UID. I mean, okay, yeah, that just is a UUID. Yeah, it has members, it has a leader. What else does a party have? I think that's it for now. Let's think about some methods. So we have definitely a set leader. Function set leader. And then we just do leader equals UUID. Ah, it's a var. Okay, sure. Make it private. Yeah, sure. We'll make this proper. Also we need to do if if not. How do I do if not UUID in if members dot contains? That is not the case. Raise throw. I mean, it definitely is a UID. We need a UID there. Oh my, oh my. Sneezing. Sneezing. Throw. What kind of exception is that? It's a value validation error. That makes sense, but it's not from Javelin, if we're being honest. Validation exception? Validation extension? What kind of exceptions do we have? Execution exception. Oh. What kind of errors do we have? Abstract method error. Class format error. Exception. Illegal access. Back. Welcome back. Incompatible class change. No such method. Unsatisfied link. Verify error. Verify error kind of makes sense. Assertion error, also not too bad. Not implemented, definitely not. Let's see about the exceptions. Restore class on phone, illegal access, illegal caller, threat state, monitor state, corruption. No such fields. Bring index out of point, top not present, access denied. Class. I mean, it kind of is an illegal argument in that point. So throw illegal argument exception with the body. UUID does not exist in mem. There you go. Otherwise, set the leader to whatever the UUID was. Cool. Do I need to do a return here? Unreachable code. Okay, cool. No. So we don't need. We do not need that. Also, we can. Oh, I can't just leave the goddamn thingies. Semicolons. Fun get members, which is return members. Fun add a member. If it contains the UUID, that is also a illegal argument. UUID is already exist. UUID of leader already exists in member list. Okay. Through illegal argument exception. UUID does already exist in member list. And otherwise do members add UUID. Obviously we need to do a fun remove member. If members contains UUID. And we do guarding clauses, please. If it doesn't, does not exist in member list. And remove. Good stuff. 500 likes already. Nice. And that for a chill stream like this one. Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, we have add member, remove member. Great stuff. What else? Right, we want to fun move. Right, a party has a UUID. A party has a unique identifier. The UUID. A party has a unique identifier and maybe a name. Give them a name. So when we create a party, constructor UUID equals random UUID. Go to primary constructor. Okay. Ah, we do init. Okay, sorry. A little bit new to Kotlin, but giving me all the help I need. Okay, so right. We get a random UUID, we assign that to the party, and so then we want to if we don't want a function to move, basically, to take the party and put it somewhere else, which is a Transfer to node. Oh no, node transfer, right? A node transfer. Nice. Which gets a node alias, which is a string. But that actually is not the case. Wait a second, that we don't actually do that. Ah. Because that is handled outside of the party. And we do that here. So. Register a party. Right, register a party. Okay, so we also have a certain amount value parties. Which is a map. That is a map. With a UUID as a key and a party as the thing. Yet, why does it... Ah, because parties needs... Okay, so basically then just return parties? Ah, it's a new map. Oh, wait, no, we don't do new, right? We don't do new. We do map. New concurrent map UUID party. Okay. So I don't think we need a getter then. Good stuff. So register party is a party when created needs also a leader UUID being a UUID. So a party is basically parties dot add okay, we have a new var called party, which is a party being equal to a party. Well, okay, then that is redundant. Jesus Christ. Is a party with the leader UUID being the UUID here. Okay, so now we have a party. And now I want to add to that map parties. How can I... Oh, that makes sense. So using that, we use the party.UUID. being equal to the party. Right? Type mismatch. Ah, because this is... It's always a UUID. We'll never give this something else. No set method providing array access. Oh. I mean, sure. Can be private. How do I fix that? No set method providing URL. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what is he actually complaining about? The UUID not having a set method or parties not having a set method? Because we actually want... Okay, this... Let's just do get party UUID. Also, that's obviously a function. Return. And the UUID. Required unit. Can I just... Oh, yeah, sure. Required unit. Oh, because I didn't specify a return type. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay, fair. So if I just do get party UUID, that still is not the right thing. Okay, wait. If I now do var UUID equals party get party UUID. I'm gonna do PUID. And he's still unhappy. No set method providing array access. But why? I mean, okay, maybe I'm just declaring this completely wrong. So let's just see. Parties dots. I mean, get makes sense, but I want to add something. I don't know how to do... I don't know how to add something in... I mean, okay, yeah, I don't usually code in Kotlin, so whatever. Min, max, minus, none, empty, plus, to list, to map. Also apply, let on each run. Take on this. Is a map actually the right thing? Working with maps in Kotlin. Mm-hmm. A linked hash map. Contains insertion of. Okay, then we just make a linked hash map, I guess. And then I can put But wait a second. I will just ask ChatGPT. I want to have a list of parties. There. UUID being the index. How can I make that happen in Kotlin? And is a map the right tool for that? Okay. Yay. Cool. For each. That's very fun. How can I add parties on runtime without initial declaration? Mutable map off. Add party.uid.party, yeah. So actually that. Get party UID. What's party? Should be the right thing. Nope. However, maybe a mutable map might be the right thing. Still doesn't work. Oh, mutable. Ah, wait a second. Mutable map off. Okay, that doesn't help. So this apparently doesn't work. Interesting, why doesn't? Oh god. Oh, my head is hurting a little bit again. Map isn't defined. Map is in scope. The map is definitely in scope. So wait a second. The error is dun, dun, dun. Done. Use a mutable map. I am using a mutable map. For that. Oh. I see. That works. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so we can register a party on red party. Parties from a few ID. Cool. If parties doesn't contain the UUID, cool. I will just literally, yeah. Also, we do transfer party, but since we're already taking care of that, we just need the UUID of the party here. Party, so there's a party UUID, which is a UUID. And then we can get the var UUIDs parties UUID dot get members. Okay. There you go. Totally good state code exception, but now oh. Okay. By the way, a party also, where is the init? Oh, the init is gone. Obviously also needs leader. Yep. Which, by the way, should go through set leader. Because that way we can, yeah, we can ensure that that makes no fucking sense. But anyway. Also, when we register a party, this is the leader UID, by the way. We want to check for T in parties dot values. Party, basically if party dot get leader, which it currently doesn't have, cool. Yes. If party get leader UID, that's fine, yeah. Equals leader UID row illegal statute leader UID or registered A. Sure. Okay, some safeguarding. What else? What else? Register party. Also want to have a option to join a party, join a party. That doesn't need a server alias. I don't know why I think that. That needs a party UID and a player UID. So then what did I do? Okay, that does the following. Should I just keep track of the known players? And in which party they are? That might actually be not a bad idea. I lost Michael here. Well, I'm not bald. I got that going for me, don't I? How you doing, my guy? Players in party. I'm doing okay. I'm getting a little bit sick. But I mean, it's that time of year, right? It's just yeah. So then we can check if we get better soon. Yeah, yeah, well, I will. It's just a cold. It's just a cold. It's nothing serious, really. Just annoying. Because I can't think straight. So basically, we map a UUID to a UUID. How do we map that straight to a party again? Nah, I guess we map to a UUID. A little bit weird, but hey. So if the leader UUID in players in party dot is, then we want to throw again an illegal leader already part of a party. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. So then if we join a party, we do the same thing. We basically check if parties doesn't contain the thing, party does not exist. Then if the player UUID in players in party contains key. Oh, that is way nicer. That is way nicer. We do that. Oh no, wait. Player UUID. Players in party contains the key of the player UID. Yeah. Okay, this is getting confusing already, so let's note this down. Map of player UUID UDID to party UUID. It's just a shorthand for us to keep track if a player is already in a party or not. So join a party. If he is in a party, he very much does exist. Place in party contains the key player already in a party. We can make sure we don't have multi-party states. That sounded weirdly politics. The thing, you know? The thing. Cool. Then a party. Okay, so we checked, does the party exist? Is the party already in a, is the player already in a party? And if not, they can join. So we do parties dot right, we just use that to use the party UUID. And then we probably can add a member to the player UUID. And we checked so many things already that I wish that I'm pretty sure in Go and I'm pretty sure in Python too, IntelliSense is strong enough to understand the party does exist. There isn't already in a party. So it should work. And also what we need to do is players in party. Yeah, nice. Good. That is, by the way, coding. Safeguarding against every stupid thing you can think about. People trying to join multiple parties. People trying to join null party. People trying to join -1 party. Good thing is that the party UID isn't player defined, so that should be fine. So then we also get, obviously, we get the function to leave a party. Where we only need the player UID. Because we will just get the value of the party equals the party at players in party at the player UID. That is cursed, but it will work. And then we just do party dot remove member. Right, cool. So then we obviously need to check if not players in party contains key. And then we throw a little player not in any party. Okay. So we have joining, leaving, registering, unregistering parties. So that's a thing. What else? What else do we need? Joining, leaving, creating, deleting, transferring. Fun transfer leader. Player UUID and a party UUID. Actually, it's not necessary for us to know again, because we're just gonna do this thing. Literally this thing. So it's transfer leader. And then we do party dot leader, set leader, player UID. Okay, party dot set leader. Does that also handle Yeah, that handles it implicitly because the leader's always part of the members. That leader? Oh no, wait a second. They aren't. They aren't. So we need to do add member leader UID. So now the leader is always part of the group. That's okay. That is okay. Ooh, but I need to stop. I need to stop for today. We currently don't have an upstream, so that'll be an interesting one. Why are you unhappy with me? Also because it's immutable. Well, commit anyway. Find a remote. Now we need to create a repository really quick. New repository. Choose an owner. Project Hans. And that is the velocity party manager, aka VPM. That shall be public. Pushing. Login via GitHub. Should work, right? Hopefully. Surely. Push failed. Did the push fail? Push failed. Why is this not working? My guy. Why? Okay. Let's think about this just for a second. I'm just gonna use the lock-in via token thingy and be happy with my life. Anyway, we do this. I'm gonna stop for today. Time to sleep. Time to not time to sleep, but like time to get some food in and stuff. Also, we have a new follower. What? Thank you so much. Jesus Christ, I'm just not good at this. Anyhow, see you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'm unsure. We'll see. The latest, we're gonna see you on Thursday. So, until then, have a good one. Bye bye.